that we can become a better person, that we can grow more than who we are before. A lot of people already in Reway, lagi nilang masasabi, they all had a bad background, no? They all had negative background, no? Marami na silang nagawang mali rin sa buhay. But nung they stepped in at ginawa nila ang Reway, it's not just about the money anymore. Hindi na yan basta sa pera na lang. It's about how can they develop themselves to grow more. It's about how can they reach and help people more, no? And it's about how can they manage to have the life that they are dreaming of. So isn't it wonderful?
Yes!
Speaking of wonderful, we are now proceeding with the product. Okay. I think this is the portion na hinihintay ng lahat, no? Nagugutom na po ba kayo? Hindi naman. Sige, good. Kasi may kikwento akong story, no? May kikwento akong story. Story to ng isang zoo owner. Let's say, sabihin natin si Bren. Meron siyang zoo. Na ang laman ng zoo is mga exotic creature, no? Siguro mga shokoy, mga sirena, ano pa? Exotic nga eh. Huwag naman yung mga normal na animal.
Exotic pa. Parang naisip eh.
Mga Pegasus, no? Yung mga Phoenix. Yung, ano pa? Mga sirena, shokoy, ano pa? Basta marami, no? Alam natin mga creature ngayon. Siguro ilagay na natin yung manananggal, no? May alagang manananggal si Brent sa zoo niya, no? Tapos itong grand opening ng zoo na to, na lahat ng exotic animal, exotic creature, makikita natin doon. Pupunta ba kayo? Sa opening ng zoo niya, na yung hindi mo normal na makikita, nandun sa zoo niya. Pupunta ba tayo? Pupunta kayo? Ay, bakit? Pupunta ba?
Ayoko.
Ay, bakit tayo pumunta?
Hirap yun.
Ayan. So, yung kalahati nagsabi, yes, pupunta sila. Ayaw niyo ba makakita ng sirena? Ayaw niyo ba makakita ng Pegasus, no? Ng shokoy, ng Phoenix, ng manananggal, no? ng tikbalang? Ayaw niyo ba makakita, no? Ng duwende, ng tiyanak, ayaw niyo ba? So, di ba, the rest ng group sabi, gusto na rin makita. So, syempre lahat tayo, gusto natin makakita na something new, di ba? Something bago na magbibigay na, ay, ang ganda naman yan. Ay, ganito pala yung kura niyan. Ay, nakakatakot. Di ba, we would like to experience those, di ba? Pero pupunta ba kayo? Pag ang entrance fee na sa zoo niya, 5,000 per head.
Siyempre hindi.
Okay, tama. Yung mismo zoo owner, hindi na pupunta, di ba? 5,000 per head. Siyempre yung first day, ay, 5,000 per head. Sino pupunta dyan? Walang dumating. Walang pumasok. Second day, sabi ni Bren, ang owner, 50% discount! Magkano? 2.5. Pupunta kayo, hindi? 2.5 pa rin? Konti lang. Eh, hindi pa rin. Siyempre, baka makain lang pa naman. Hindi ba ito pupunta? 50% pa rin sa 2.5. Magkano?
150.
150. Pupunta hindi. 150 pa rin. Pwede na. And the rest. Hindi pa rin po, no? Hindi pa rin. Pag sinabing libre, pupunta na ba?
Oo naman.
Pupunta na daw, libre, no?
Libre kain.
Libre kain na rin, no? Siyempre, grand opening yun.
Libre pakain sa mga exotic.
Grand opening yun, libre pakain, libre lahat. Siyempre, libre, o libre. So, let's say lahat tayo pumunta. At hindi lang tayo, may thousands na tao pa pumunta, siyempre libre, di ba? Gusto yung hindi pumunta. Kasi iba, siyempre, yung iba pupunta dyan para mag-take out, yung iba pupunta dyan para mag-shower, di ba? Pumunta lang para kumakain, di ba? Pero the rest naman pumunta para makinig, para makita nila, no? At mas matutunan pa dyan na may mga bago pa sa mundo, no? So, ayun. Gumagala-gala na, so, ayun. Tapos, nung magsasarado ng zoo, no? Paggabi na, ang sabi ni Bren, yung may-ari ng zoo, pasakayin ng lahat ng mga guests sa isang bus para sabay-sabay na silang lumabas ng zoo. Siyempre, yan. Siyempre, magsasarado na eh. Mag-alas 12 na ng gabi. Hindi natin magusto yung mga manananggal na lumilipad ng alas 12 ng gabi, di ba? So, yun. Siyempre, lahat ng guests nakasakay na sa isang bus. Yan. Tapos sabi ni Fred, huwag mong papalabasin ang mga guests hanggat hindi yan nagbabayad ng 10,000 per head.
Ay!
At the same time, pakawalan mo na lahat ng mga tiyanak, ng mga manananggal, ng mga tikbalag dyan, ng mga nuno-nuno dyan.
Set up pala.
Set up doon. Na-set up na, na-scam.
Scam.
So yun. Siyempre mga tao, no choice. Gusto nilang mabuhay. Gusto nilang buhay, di ba? May mga uuwian pa silang pamilya. At gusto nilang umuwi sila na buo yung katawan nila. Kasi yung iba, baka umuwi na kalahati na lang. Yung iba nakulang pa. So, yun na yung story din. Joke lang. So, what I was saying, ano bang gusto mong sabihin, no? We all came here to listen, to absorb, no? Para mas maintindihan natin what we are here in Riway and kung ano ba yung ginagawa natin dito sa Riway, no? Don't worry, hindi ko naman po isasarado tong pinto, no? Magkakaroon lang ako ng isang layo, no? Tapos, the joke lang. So, proceed na tayo, no? Again, ako po si Angelo na lang. 21 years old, pwede nyo tawagin Jello. Now, before, my background was pretty few na rin. I worked sa insurance company ng tito ko, no? Tapos, naging empleyado rin ako sa multiple BPO company, mga call center. May lang po kayo doon. Then, napunta ako sa Riway. Napunta ako sa Riway, gaya na nabilagay ni Tita kanina, nung magpapasalon ako sa buhok niya. Kasi yung na-inspire ako magpaayos ng buhok dahil sa ating technical ngayon, palagpakan naman natin si Justin Matthew. Magpaayos ako ng buhok dahil sa technical. So, ayun kasi mga times na yun, no? I was a nursing student. Pero syempre, financial things happened that I needed to stop. So, ayun. Nakita ko at binalikan ko ang ating Emirate Pago, Miss Aubrey Alves. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating direct upline sponsor para sa atin. Then, naiintindihan ko agad na, stem cell yun. It's a versing aging. Meron po ba ditong ayaw kumata? Lahat ba tayo gustong tumanda? Ay! Dahil! So, lahat ba tayo gustong bumata?
Yes!
Kasi kung ayaw niyong bumata, gusto niyo nang tumanda, i-specify mo yun. Kasi diba, may kita natin sa chart na to, may kita natin sa chart na to, ang top 10 leading killer diseases sa mundo. Noong 2022 pa lang to, ang chart na to ay ginawa ng World Health Organization. So, hindi lang yung basta nang galing sa Riway. It is backed up and covered by World Health Organization itself. Ang sinasabi dito, noong September 2022, ang top 10 killer diseases is heart disease, stroke, respiratory infection, COPD, lung cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer, diarrhea disease, tuberculosis, and cirrhosis. Yung mga ganyang klaseng sakit, no, I get the point na lahat tayo may kilalang someone na may ganyan, no. Minsan kahit personal, tayo na mismo yung may ganyan. Alam nyo, nabasa ko kanina sa isang article online. Ang sinasabi doon, na sa Philippines alone, 90% ng mga teachers, mga nagtuturo sa atin, no, from elementary, high school, senior high school, college, 90% ng mga teacher is may sakit sa kidney. Alam mo daw bakit? Bakit daw 90% ng mga teacher may sakit sa kidney? Di umiihi, diba? Nagpipigil na rin, syempre nagtuturo. Tapos, ba't malapit na? Tapos syempre, mahilig sila sa maalat, di ba? Yung mga karindila sa kantin, di ba? Sa school. Tapos yung mga fast food, di ba? Mga maalat. Tapos bukod doon, nabasa ko rin, no? May mga kilala po ba kayong teacher? Sa mga guest natin, may kilala po ba kayong mga teacher? Meron. Alam niyo po ba na mahilig sila magpatis? Magpatis.
Patis?
Patis.
Patis. Big sauce.
Patis yun, datong patino.
Ayun.
Yun daw yung nagiging leading sanhe kung bakit nagkakaroon ng sakit sa kidney yung mga teacher kasi mahilig sila magpatis, no? Mahilig sila magpa-short piece, long piece, exact piece, di ba? Yung mga teacher natin.
Sabi ko.
Mahilig sila magpatis ng gano'n. So kasi, siyempre, as part of their job and duty, di ba, to teach and to share, siyempre kailangan nilang engage yung mga tao, yung mga estudyante nila. That's what the World Health Organization rin ginawa noong 2022. Tinansya niya, ginage niya, inalam niya na sa buong mundo, 80% ng mga tao may ganitong klaseng sakit. So, di ba? Wala naman tayo nagagawang krimen, wala naman tayo ginagawa kahit ano, pero sinesentensyahan na tayo ng sakit. Alam niyo bukod dyan sa mga sakit na yan, alam niyo yung masasabi ko always, na kahit sa Philippines alone, 80% ng, siguro 90% ng tao sa Pilipinas, mayroon pang dalawang klaseng sakit na hindi nila alam. Alam niyo kung ano yun?
Ano yun?
Bursitis at paralysis. Pamilyar po ba kayo sa bursitis? Yung cancer sa bulsa.
Kulang sa pera.
Kulang di ba? Yung cancer sa bulsa na unti-unting nauubos na ng lahat ng laman ng bulsa, laman ng bangko, laman ng mga pikibag, wala na. Bursitis, di ba? Tapos paralysis daw. Yung paralysis nakakatakot talaga, no? Kasi yung symptoms daw ng paralysis, yung mga tao daw, bigla na lang umulala, kinakausap. Ay, paralysis na paralysis na kinakausap na lang yung sarili.
Nakuha ko nga yan.
Kung may nasasalubong kayo sa daan, kapag kinakausap nila sa
Ay, hindi
sarili
sa
nila,
daan, sa bahay ko.
tanungin nyo, sir, may paralysis ka ba? Tingnan lang natin, di ba? Kasi marami talaga. And that's why we have concluded this kind of events and we were trying to reach out everyone and to try at least reach out to people. Kasi itong top 10 killer diseases na to, hindi naman tayo basta-basta tiyatamaan ng sakit, di ba? Meron ba dito basta-basta tiyatamaan ng sakit? Yung out of nowhere, yung heavy tayo ngayon, kinabukasan may sakit na tayo. Meron ba? Wala, di ba? Kasi may mga causes yan. Unang-una, yung aging population. Yung pag-plus 1 ng mga edad natin, every single year, hindi yan magpipigilan, di ba? Hindi yan nababawasan. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan, every single year, may plus 1 tayo. Which means, ang aging population, napakarampant na talaga at hindi na ganun basta-basta mapipigilan, no? Hindi lang basta-basta ganun magagawa ng solusyon. Bukod sa aging population ang pagtanda, is wrong diet. Diba? Wrong diet. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Sa McDo.
Diba nasa McDo tayo ngayon? Anong isa-search natin mamaya?
Fast food.
Fast food. Diba wrong diet na yun? Kaya I'm encouraging everyone as well na magpalaki pa tayo ng team, magpalaki tayo ng group para at least next month, mag-book na tayo ng isang hotel dyan. Nag-search natin ng mga pagkain, di ba? Talagang real and fresh meal na. Gusto natin lahat yun?
Oh, yes!
Oo, gusto natin lahat yun. Kasi wrong diet, yung talagang hindi natin naiwasan yan. Yung mga oras at panahon na aabot na lang talaga tayo sa wrong diet. Either kontrolin natin yung kinakain natin, or sa mismong pagkain natin, may mali na kaluton. Last week lang, sabi ko hindi ako kakain ng chicharon tsaka lechon. Napakain pa ng lechon. Walang choice eh. Andun na, nakakasapat na, di ba? So, eto pa. Inevitable stress. Sino sa atin yung nai-stress? Pasok pa. So, inevitable stress, ulit yung tanong, sino sa atin hindi nai-stress? Ay,
Lahat stress.
lahat tayo nai-stress no?
Yes.
Pero kasi, minsan tiyangkan ako, no? Baka kasi baka may kilala kayong hindi nai-stress, kakausapin ko, and I would like to know the secret. Kasi bakit?
Diba?
Kahit saan tayo pumunta, minsan pag-gising pa lang natin, stress tayo. Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw ha, Matthew. Pero minsan kasi, hindi ko sinasabing ikaw. Pero minsan kasi pag-gising pa lang natin, stress na, di ba?
Tama.
Magbubukas tayo ng cellphone, mababasa natin, stress.
Isip agad.
Yung kapitbahay natin, stress, di ba? Bubaba tayo, magbubukas tayo ng rep, puro tubig naman. Ay, ko. Pag sarado ng rep, ay, Diyos ko, ang mga jutit, ay, diba stress na kagad yun? So, hindi talaga natin may iwasan ng stress. And stress is always there with us, di ba? Pollution.
Yan.
Sino dito ang hindi humihinga?
Patay na.
Patay
Buhay
na
pa
yun.
kayo. Kasi, kahit lumabas lang tayo dyan, sabihin natin maraming puno dyan. Sabihin natin pollution can be lessened. But pollution is and will always be a pollution kahit saan tayo pumunta or kahit saan man. Pollution sa hangin, sa water, sa ground, sa earth. Sa pagkain natin, minsan polluted na. Ang microplastics, no, ng mga anik-anik na chemicals at mga substances na hindi nakakatulong sa katawan natin. So, all of these things ay tinatawag na bottleneck crisis ngayon sa medical science. Bakit siya tinawag na bottleneck crisis sa medical science? Kasi walang immediate cure or solusyon sa mga yan. Diba? Let's say, heart disease. Meron ba, tanungin ko kayo, may mga kilala po ba kayo may heart condition, may heart disease? Let's say, heart enlargement to. Kung may kilala kayo may heart enlargement, meron ba silang gamot na tinitake para lumiit palalo puso nila? Wala. Heart enlargement alone. Heart condition. Alzheimer's. Meron ba silang tinitake na gamot to address directly yung Alzheimer at pagkalimot nila sa mga bagay-bagay? Meron wala. Pagdating sa cholesterol, no? What do we have? Maintenance. Ang mga maintenance ang ginagawa lang is to i-appoint yung mga sintomas sa mga nararamdaman natin to the point na yan natin siya mararamdaman but still nandyan pa rin yung karamdaman na yun. No? Hindi nasusolusyonan. So this is what we mean by bottleneck crisis in the medical science. But fret na or wag tayo matakot because we now have the discovery of stem cell. A recent medical science breakthrough. Recent to, bago-bago pa siya. At nasa pioneering stage pa lang tayo or nasa mga unang panahon pa lang tayo ng stem cell ngayon. So imagine niyo nung unang panahon, let's say at least mga 1500s, no? Pag sinabi ko ba sa inyo na pagdating ng 2000s, pwede kitang makausap baya sa isang maliit na box kahit nasang parte ka ng mundo. May maniniwala po ba kayo? Hindi, di ba? Maniniwala ba kayo na kung kayo nasa 1500s na bihan na may cellphone, na may ganito na cellphone, pwede pang picture, pwede pang tawag, no? Pwede pang reach sa mga tao, maniniwala kayo? Hindi, no? Pero over the course of years, ang human advancement is tuloy-tuloy, no? Lahat ng tao nag-research, lahat ng tao nag-develop, lahat ng tao nag-aaral din, di ba? At doon sa pag-aaral nila, natagpuan na, discovered ang stem cell. Kasi yung stem cell, hindi siya ginawa ng machine, no? Hindi siya manufactured, no? Technically, manufactured at gawa siya ng tao, pero hindi siya directly na inimbento, no? Kasi ang stem cell ay byproduct ng sperm cell at ovum ng nanay. Which means, sa isang gabi, sa isang malamig na gabi, no? Na ang nanay at tatay natin na pag-desisyon ng maglabing-labing, gumawa ng milagro. Saan? Saan ba?
Sa bahay.
Sa bahay. O, kasi minsan may narinig ako, CR, sa public toilet.
Hoy!
So ayun, doon nagsimula ang stem cell itself, yung sperm cell ng tatay na na-meet yung ovo ng ating mga nanay, unang-unang nabuo ang stem cell. Yung stem cell na yun, nag-duplicate, dumami, nag-replicate, hanggang sa nabuo yung organs natin, diba? Kasi kung familiar tayo sa basic science ng elementary, bago magkaroon ng organs, bago maging totally tao, ang isang bata, di ba? Magiging cell muna yan, magiging zygote muna yan, magiging cell, tapos saka lang mabubuo yung tissue, tapos yung muscle sa katawan. So, yung stem cell itself, nag-duplicate siya, dumadami, nag-replicate para mabuo yung mga organs natin, eye natin, heart natin, lungs natin, mata natin, brain natin, everything on our body is made out of stem cell. Diba? Hanggang sa mabuo yung 300 different types pa ng parte ng katawan natin at maging baby. Meron ba dito hindi gawa sa stem cell? Meron bang hindi gawa sa stem cell? Testingin ko ha, kung gawa kayo sa plastic o sa kahoy ko, okay ka ulit no? Joke lang. So, stem cell is considered to have unlimited. So, walang hanggan at walang katapusang treatment boundaries. Kasi, sa panahon ngayon, stem cell na rin ang last choice ng mga tao, especially sa mga rich and famous, pag wala na silang option para masolusyonan yung mga nararamdaman nila. And dito, sa slide na to, the miracle of stem cell. If may kita nyo, ito yung mga sikat na mga magazine, hindi lang local, hindi lang sa Asia, but internationally na rin as well, extending up to Europe and to America. Time Magazine, di ba? Manila Bulletin. May kita natin mga nakasulat dito. Stem cell therapy to treat diabetes. Stem cell therapy treats to autism. AIDS patient cured with stem cell therapy. The stem cell, hope for the people. Imagine, the hope that stem cell can give sa mga tao, sobrang lala na ng nararamdaman. Pero walang budget, walang kayahan pumunta sa doktor, walang kakayahang magpa-check up. But still, they managed to have the hope because of stem cell. Kasi, ang stem cell ngayon is considered the last frontier of medical science. Pag sinabing last frontier of medical science, yan na ang pinakadulong-dulong therapy at option ng mga tao. Let's say, meron akong mild na karamdaman ngayon. Kinabukasan, lumala. To the point na yung mga doktor natin, wala nang option na mabigay sa akin. Lahat ng klaseng polydrugs, lahat ng klaseng gamot, tinake ko na, walang kumana, no? Kahit ano pa yan, wala na. Kahit anong therapy, wala na rin. Stem cell na ang recommend ng doktor. And stem cell has considered to be unstoppable medical science trend and the greatest revolution of medicine emerged. Bakit? Kaya nga na sinabi ko, no? Stem cell is really something that can help ourselves and everyone we know. So, pinapalakpakan natin yan. So, baka napapatanong na kayo or na-curious. What are the methods of receiving stem cell? You know na we all have a choice. Lahat tayo may... Anong tagal ng choice? Decision. Lahat tayo may desisyon mamili. Lahat tayo may desisyon kung anong gusto natin sa sarili natin, no? First option that we can choose or pwede natin mapili for receiving stem cell therapy is when we are rich and famous. Bakit sinabing rich and famous? Unang-una is stem cell or placenta injection na ginagawa sa developed countries like Switzerland, Germany, New Zealand, o Japan, yung mga ganyang developed countries, no? I will give everyone an example. Taas kamay na nakakakilala kay Enrile. Taas ang left hand. Left hand. natin rin the left hand. Sino nakakilala kay Ivy Marcos? Right hand. Ivy Marcos. Kilala niyo po ba sa Ivy Marcos? Right hand. Kilala. O third. Sino nakakakilala kay Duterte? Taas dalawang kamay. Wala. So, yun. So, marami tayong kilala na rin ng mga rich and famous, no? Nasa kanila lahat ng pera, nasa kanila lahat ng oras, na para magpatake ng stem cell injection. It is very, very expensive and time-consuming. Bakit expensive? Consultation pa lang. If titignan pala ng doktor kung pwede kang magpa-stem cell therapy, already costs around 800,000 pesos. Tatay ko 1 ganun. Diba? Mahirap. Consultation pa lang yun kung pwede kang magpa-stem cell therapy or hindi. Then, on that 6 months therapy of stem cell, every tour mo would cost around 1.2 million for 6 months. So for 6, sabihin natin 6 months, sa isang buwan, isang tour mo is 1.2 million. Magkano ang 1.2 million times 6 months? Tama na lang, nag-loading ng lahat. So imagine the cost, di ba? Ang presyo. Imagine rin the time it will consume. Ang oras na makakain at magagamit nito. Kasi nga, gaya nga nasabi ko, 6 months. Di ba? Mag-book ka ng flight doon, ililipat ka pa doon, lahat aas-kasoy mo pa doon. So it's really, really expensive and time-consuming na ang mga sikat at mayayaman lang ang makaka-afford. Pero pwede kong sikat sa atin. Pero ba sa ating mayaman? Kung mayaman kayo, sponsor din na po isa't isa natin. So, meron din tayong stem cell transplant. Stem cell transplant, ito medyo simple lang to, no? Meron tayo neto sa Medical City, sa hospital sa Alabang. Ano yun? Basta yung Asian Medical Hospital doon, tsaka St. Luke's. No? May mga dedicated department sila sa stem cell transplant na kung saan na ang stem cell sa sarili mong katawan is lilipat sa sarili mong pabalik. Example ng dalawang mata natin. Yung right eye is damaged, yung left eye is malinaw, di ba? Walang damage, maayos. Ang mga doktor, kukuha ng stem cell sa left eye natin without any anesthesia para ilipat sa right eye natin. Kakayanin ba natin?
Siyempre hindi.
Di ba? Tutusukin na naman mo magbabayad tayo para sa tayo. Walang anesthesia yun. Imagine niyo itong mga lobo, no? Kukuha ko ng hangin na loob na itong lobo, ililipat ko dun sa kabila. Pumutok ng parehas kasi tinusok ko yan, di ba? So that's like how intravenous method of stem cell transplant work. Then we also have cord blood banking. Ito naman para sa mga mothers, no? Sa mga future mothers at para pang maging mother. Cord blood banking is tinatago yung umbilical cord na nagdudugtong sa nanay at sa anak na nasa sinampun pa lang, di ba? Lahat naman tayo may pusod. Sinong wala? Lahat tayo may pusod. Sinong walang pusod? Ay, ako po ba? Wala tayo may pusod kasi doon sa pusod natin na yun yung nagdudugtong at nagkokonekta sa umbilical cord na konektado sa nanay natin nung nasa sinapupunan lang tayo. Diba sa mga mothers, pag nanganak tayo, may dinugunting ng mga doktor, diba? Yun yung umbilical cord na pwedeng itago, pwedeng i-freezer na sa panahon ngayon para magamit ng bata or ng mother yung stem cell na nandun years later, up to 20 years, diba? Pero ano bang ironic pagdating dito? Ang mga sakit-sakit, diba? Ang mga namamana, hereditary, mga ganyang klaseng sakit na napupunta sa mga anak-anak natin, lumalabas lang yan after 25 years old, diba? Sayang. Gumastos ka ng buwan-buwan para ipatago yung umbilical cord, no? Tapos yung sakit ng anak mo lalabas lang after 25 ka, hindi rin nagamit. Nag-lose ka lang ng pera, di ba? Hindi pa magamit ng atay. Adult stem cell banking, ito naman yung stem cell banking na kung saan tinatago yung current stem cell natin at our age na ibabalik lang rin sa katawan natin some other time. Example, Bren na taon ka na?
20.
20. Imagine si Bren na 20 years old, itatago ang stem cell niya ngayon through adult stem cell banking. And gagamitin niya in the future. Makakasigurado ba tayo na ang kanyang stem cell is still healthy and safe? We cannot be sure, di ba? Kasi as research and doctors have been backed up as well by the science, our stem cell is always twice our age. So kung 20 years old din si Fred, ang stem cell niya is already 40 years old. Kung tayo mga 30, 40, 50, ang stem cell natin is already 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Healthy pa ba?
Hindi.
Kung papabata pa ba tayo niyan? Reverse aging pa ba tayo niyan? Magiging malakas pa ba tayo niyan? Hindi na, di ba? Placenta injection ng mga matatagpuan sa mga beauty salon mo. Marami dyan. Kahit nga sa kanto lang din meron. Tingin nyo mga pagkakatiwalaan sila or trustworthy sila.
No.
I would like to ask that. Gusto kong tanungin yan kasi marami nang naka-experience, no? At nabalita na sa TV Patrol, sa KMJS, sa 18K, no? Sa GMA na mga nagpa-stem cell injection sa mga ganyang salon. Na mag-aamo ka, nasira ang nakawan lalo, worst case namatay. Kasi why? Hindi natin sigurado kung yung mga taong gumagawa nun is certified ba at alam nila kung ano yung gagawin nila. Other than that, alam ba natin kung saan kinukuha yung stem cell nila? Sinasabi niyo turok sa katawan natin, di ba? What if silicone lang yung tinuturo sa atin? Scratch pa tayo lalo. Kasi di ba, we always need to be sure, di ba? We always need to have this thought na siguraduhin muna natin, di ba? Tignan muna natin kung saan yan magagaling, di ba? We always have that question. Lastly, sinong gusto ng libreng stem cell? Ayun na.
Ay, ako syempre.
Ay, di ba gusto ng libreng stem cell? We can have this free stem cell if we can just become perfectly healthy. Pag sinabi kong perfectly healthy, kaya nating matulog enough in a day, we have enough exercise, we have proper diet, at hindi tayo nai-stress. Magagawa ba natin lahat yun?
Syempre, hindi.
Hindi, ako personally, pwede ako kakaayos ng lahat, no? So, is there any convenient and affordable way which will or kung saan papasok na dito ang ating modern technology na ginawa ng Reway International? As I have mentioned earlier, Reway International is not new. No? We have our medical facilities sa New Zealand kung saan ginagawa natin at pinaprocess lahat ng ito. Reway International is a bio-research tech development company na nagpo-focus sa reversing aging. Gusto natin lahat yun? Bumata?
Yes!
Siyempre, kahit ako, mabuha kayo, tumanda, no? Ito yung modern technology na kung saan ginagawa at napaprocess kung saan napapanatiling buhay at fresh yung stem cell the moment we take it in. Una-una is yung supercritical extraction na kung saan ina-extract natin yung stem cell, yung mga enzymes, yung mga component, mga ingredients natin up to 99% of its biological activity para fresh pa rin yung buhay, no? Then we have this freeze-drying technology na kung saan pini-freezer nito yung lahat ng ingredients natin, lahat ng enzymes, lahat ng components natin into negative 60 degrees para mapanatiling fresh and alive. Kasi diba, pag ang mga pagkain or anything na may enzyme, iwan lang natin dyan, mabubulok yan, mapapanis yan, diba? Masisira yan. Kaya we preserve it by freeze-drying technology. Then we have this nitrogen field technology na kung saan pinoprotektahan nito yung capsule natin, ang ating stem cell, na hindi siya malusaw sa stomach acid. No, enteric coating is a type of special coating, hindi na yan bago. Kahit search niyo yan si Google, kahit tanungin niyo sa mga pharmacy dyan, what is enteric coating? Enteric coating is a special type ng layer ba or protection dun sa stem cell natin para hindi siya malusaw at hindi matunaw lang sa stomach acid natin. Kasi we all know kung gaano kalakas yung stomach acid. Diba? Kaya niyang tumunaw ng lahat ng kainin natin. At yung mga na-absorb natin, diba? Ang enteric coated technology, pinapanatili nitong secured yung stem cell natin to the point na aabot siya sa intestine natin na doon lang siya mag-burst out, doon lang siya ma-absorb ng katawan natin. We have this emulsification technology, i-lesson din yung scientific terms. Yan lang yung pinapaliit lahat ng molecules or lahat ng ingredients natin para kaya niyang pumasok from our head to toe, no? Sa kadulo-dulo ang strand ng buhok natin hanggang sa pinakatalampakan natin, kaya pumasok ng stem cell at lahat ng components natin. Biosoft gel technology, this is how our stem cell is composed, no? Hindi yan powder, hindi yan liquid na hinahalo at hindi yan solid capsule na patay yung stem cell sa loob. It is biosoft gel na kung saan bio itself means buhay at may buhay, alive yung stem cell natin, and yung soft gel natin itself is alive. So next, maybe a lot of you are wondering already, saan ba galing yung stem cell natin? Ang stem cell natin is nanggagaling sa deer. Sa deer, no? Sa usa. Bakit sa usa? Ang usa is considered to be a herbal animal, the most cleanest animal on earth na biocompatible sa tao. Hindi lang sa panahon ngayon, but through the ancient times na rin, sa mga unang-unang panahon, it is already proven and tested na ang deer has a lot of medicinal properties na pwedeng makatulong sa tao, like the tail, the sinew, physical skin, heart, blood, and especially the placenta and the velvet. But don't worry, wala tayong pinapatay na any type of deer, but ang ginagawa natin is pinaparami pa natin ang deer. How and why? Dito sa ating clinically proven patented ingredients. Pag sinabing patented, exclusivity. Pag sinabing exclusivity, tayo lang at three-way international lang ang pwedeng mag-combine ng lahat ng yan at ang may karapatan sa lahat ng yan kasi patented na yan. Unang-una yung cervicella, yung stem cell na kinukuha sa ang placenta ng mga bagong panganak na human deer. Then sa open placenta, ito yung kinukuha natin yung stem cell sa tip ng mga antler ng deer na malakas ang regeneration. Then we have this engine cell na tinatawag na food for the brain, ang pagkain ng utak, na matatagpuan na rin sa volcanic soil of New Zealand. Now, a lot of you may be asking, no, bakit hindi na lang sa Laguna ang manufacturing natin? Bakit kailangan nasa New Zealand pa? Well, to answer that, New Zealand is ang pinakamalinis na country sa buong mundo. Bukod doon, New Zealand has this type of special engine cell na tumutulong sa nerves natin, sa utak natin, sa lahat ng recovery sa katawan natin. Then we have this axertone. This is a type of lychee mushroom na kung saan ang specialization nito is shut down yung aging genes natin. Diba? Sinashutdown nito or pinapatay nito yung mga genes sa katawan natin na nagpapatanda sa atin. Then we have this Doclitaver na kung saan ito ay tinatawag na white strawberry na matatagpuan lang rin sa Japan. No? Ang isang white strawberry alone is already $50 or $30 itself. Isang piraso pa lang doon. Kasi ang special properties ng Doclitaver or white strawberry is natural antibiotic and natural pain reliever. So saan pa tayo, diba? Andiyan na yung 5 pa lang yan. Meron pa tayo next na kung saan pabata na tayo, dadami yung healthy and good cells sa katawan natin, hindi pa tayo tatanda, safe pa tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. So, So, here in Ringway, no, ang standard natin is 1 is enough for everything. 1 capsule, 1 bottle is enough for everything. Bakit? Ang ating stem cell, which we call fourth-year placenta, is the product to fulfill all our needs. Yung isang capsule, isang product yan para sa ulo, para sa mata, para sa cholesterol, para sa atay, para sa bagat. Sa lahat yan, total sa katawan natin kasi lahat naman tayo gawa sa stem cell, no? Ang Ringway International, running 18 years on the market, only 1 single product, which is this fourth-year placenta, now on its 7th edition. Ang ginagawa nito, i-supplement yung mga kulang natin sa katawan. Protektahan tayo from ill diseases, no? To repair ang damages sa katawan natin, to prevent rin sa mga bodily injuries caused natin sa katawan natin, no? To recover, to detoxify, and especially regenerate our good cells to the point na babata, tayong lahat. Gusto natin yon?
Yes.
Kasi, actually, yung testimonial speaker natin for today, hindi ko alam kung nalilate hindi pa kasi dumadating, no? I think may magsa-substitute ng testimonial niya for today that she would like to share, no? So, bukod sa 5 patented ingredients natin, meron din tayong 14 more patented ingredients, no? Parang nabuto na lahat sa mga. Sige. Unang-una is yung brown seaweed. Brown seaweed, ang trabaho yan is patayin yung cancer cells sa katawan natin, no? Yung mga rapidly evolving na cancer cells. Apple extract, 100 apple polyphenol extract into 1. So I get the point na hindi natin lahat kaya kumain ng 100 apples a day. Pero imagine, mag-take lang kayo ng isang capsule, is equivalent to 100 apples a day mo. And hindi lang yon. Meron din tomato extract, aloe vera extract, borage oil, avocado oil, squalene, matatawag natin fish oil yan. Evening primrose oil, and marine collagen. So everything is already all-rounded at para sa lahat na ng pangangailangan ng katawan natin at wala na tayong hahanaping iba. Okay. So proceed. Ang standard natin sa Ringway International itself, wala ka ng ibang hahanapin ka. You will just do Ringway. Libre na ang product sa'yo. We have a better life pa, di ba? Then, we have this last slide, the leading causes of death worldwide in 2019. May kita natin ng top 10 again, no? Mga sakit-sakit yan na tumatama sa lahat ng tao. Then, the rest yan sa ilalim is natural disaster, drowning, no? Burning, freezing, poisoning, murder. Yan yung mga bagay na wala na tayong control. Pero pagdating sa top 10 na mga nararamdaman natin, mga sakit natin, mga karamdaman ng mga kilala natin, ang kapamilya natin, ang mag-anak natin, ang kapitbahay natin. Minsan yung kaaway natin, gusto natin tulungan, di ba? We have the option and choice to help and reach everyone. We just need to learn, no? We just need to share, we just need to adapt and try to absorb everything, di ba? Para ma-prevent, para hindi na tayo umabot sa point na magdadagdag tayo sa mga listahan na yan. So, oo na. So, ito. Ibalik mo. So, ito yung fourth year natin, no? Ever since 2008, wala na tayong ibang dinevelop na product from first edition, second edition, third edition, fourth, fifth edition, and sixth edition nandito, no? Patuloy lang natin ini-improve at innovate ang stem cell natin to the point na meron na tayo ngayong 7th edition. 7th edition. This is the 7th edition of fourth year placenta. So pinapalakpakan natin lahat yan. So that ends the sharing about the product. Meron po bang gusto mag-testimonial? Okay. So, a little bit update lang, no? So, I guess malilate or kaya talaga makakarating yung testimonial speaker natin. Kaya, ang magsa-substitute sa testimonial speaker natin ngayon is someone I closely know, no? Kasi itong next speaker na tatawagin ko, masasabi natin na, oo, he gives me a lot of stress, pero that's a good stress naman. No? Kasi I think it's been a year na rin na I'm trying to invite him to Riway, to see, di ba? To experience what I'm experiencing. Until that one night na tinawagan niya ako, no? Kailangan na daw ng fourth year, which siya na bahala mag-share about the other details. No? So let's all welcome Justin Matthew.
So, hindi ko alam kung sabihin mo dapat kasi dapat merong taong dedicated for the testimonials, but I'll have to substitute for them for the meantime. And thank you so much, Jello, for introducing me. My name is Justin Matthew Hamurabo Leoncio, and totoo yung sinabi ni Jello na for a year, tinatry niya akong i-convince na i-try and see it for myself to what stem cell has to offer. So, I don't want to take too much of your time. I'll try to make it brief. This is supposed to be my Lola's side of her story to share that I'll be sharing to everyone here. Would that be okay?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Okay. So, it all started this year in February when my Lola, Evelyn Delindo, eto po siya, nakaka-stress kasi all of a sudden, hindi naman niya ako made aware na may sugat siya sa kanyang hand. So, isa ba yun, sa left or sa right? Ito, sa left mo. So, napaso siya and it got swollen to a point na parang mag-burst na. You know yung burn nyo, if may bubbles na siya magsa-start to form, nandun na siya sa level na yon. And wala akong funds at that time. Kasi I was a QA or new mentee QA in the BPO industry. And I was still struggling at that time to find the funds kasi parang hindi pa ako na-approve for the allowance na ina-expect ko dapat. So, hindi ko naipasok si Mami kasi si Mami ay 70 years old na. And with the restrictions na meron ang HMO na dapat i-cover ang hospital bills niya, I had to resort to other options. That's where I recall na si Jello ay nag-offer na may isang bottle to try it or maybe Mommy could try it. So ayun, tinry na namin. That same night, around in February, nag-take si Mommy ng 2 capsules. And si Mommy, nahirap umakyat sa hagdan namin. Kasi kailangan niyang ialalay sarili niya na nakahawak sa pader, yung kanyang left hand. Nakita ko yung struggle sa kanya at gusto ko makatulong sa nararamdaman niya. So when she took 2 capsules that same night, nakailang oras lang siya ng tulog na mahimbing at nagising siya to the point na yung pain na nararamdaman niya the whole day na may paso is nawala completely. Now, I'm not saying this po to convince anyone, but I am certain that this product has more capabilities than what the eye has or what you can see it for yourself if you're willing to try it naman. And that same night, we continued or tinuloy namin kay Mami magpapainom ng stem cell capsules. And she finished the entire bottle maybe around 1 to 2 months because the bottle has 60 capsules. So you can either take it twice, once in the morning and another one at night. Si Mami na-finish niya within 1 to 2 months. And at that time, or before pa siya nagtatake, she is also struggling na naglalakad. Tama ba, di ba, Mami? So, kapag naglalakad siya or umaakyat ng hagdan, laging kung may dala-dala siya, inaalalayan ko, or even na lagi siyang kumikirot. So that's something sana na I was hoping Mommy could share because that's her story. Pero since ako nga naman, ako na lang mag-share on her behalf. And then, si Mommy na mismo nagkwento sa amin na pag magkakasama sila ng magkakaibigan nila, siya yung laging nasa huli kasi struggling siya maglakad. At lagi siyang nasasaktan kapag naglalakad ng sobrang tagal. So imagine niyo, di ba, yung pain and suffering na pinagdadaanan ni Mommy without her prior i-take yung stem cell. After that 1 to 2 months na pagtatake ni Mommy, si Mommy na una sa kanya mga kaibigan. Palakpakan po natin yun. So, yun yung story kasi ni Mommy na gusto ko sana siya mag-share kasi very personal yun at something na siya lang ang makakasabi. And I'm very grateful then to everyone who attended today for allowing me to share her side of the story and helping you also know what the product has and can offer to everyone here. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
So, di ba really wonderful na thank you again to our Justin Matthew for sharing ang testimonial ni Mami Evelyn. So, isn't it wonderful?
Yes!
Na yung nagsimula lang siya on those few capsules at meron na kagad siyang naramdaman na positive sa sarili niya. Gusto ba natin lahat na experience at maranasan yon?
Yes!
At bukod lang yun, bukod lang sa mga yun, bukod lang sa product itself, Freeway has a lot more and more to offer na we will now go into. So, ayun, sa free naman po dito, every Saturday sa team natin, kung makakating tayo, we have this weekly discussion kung magpaparapol kami or hindi. So, gaya nga rin nabanggit ko kanina, Freeway is not just about the product. The product is already given and for free to help everyone achieve their healthy lifestyle. Kasi dito sa Freeway, we have 6 goals. No, here in Freeway, we have 6 goals. We have 4 values na tinatatak namin sa sarili namin, sa utak namin, sa puso namin. Freeway stands for right way. And Freeway, yes, is a multi-level marketing company na kung saan tinatama namin ang lahat ng bad at wrong images ng mga naunang multi-level marketing noon. Which is why Freeway has this lot of goals that we are trying and is liking to achieve. Social goal, para ma-expand natin yung kaya natin. Health goal, given na yan through the product na lahat at some point of time, lahat ng pangailangan natin sa katawan natin is ma-address. Then we have this financial goal along with the business plan of our Freeway International. We have this family goal, a concept na kung saan ang mga pamilya hindi na kailangan mag-iwalay ng trabaho, ang mga pamilya hindi na kailangan mag-OFW, hindi na kailangan mag-abroad, na kung saan pwede silang magsama-sama under one banner, under one business na hindi sila magkakasira at tuloy-tuloy pa silang magiging masaya. Mental load rin as well para i-develop ang lahat ng sarili natin, i-develop ang status natin, yung mindset natin, right thinking, and spiritual goal, para ma-implement sa sarili natin na there's such a lot of things that we can be grateful about, that we can be righteous about. So, as for now, let's give a thank you to the one or to the person that invited us. So, yun. So, here in Freeway as well, kaya nga sinabi ko, hindi lang yan basta about the product. At pag sinabi ko hindi lang basta about the product, we have a lot of things to take and imbibe sa puso at ipasok sa sarili natin. Become a true winner, how to conduct an effective meeting. Attitude is everything, no? ABC rule, how to build a team, cultivate good learning attitude. There's one thing that I have learned here in Riway. It does not matter, no? Kung gaano karami ang pera natin, it doesn't matter. We will not become a true winner by financial status alone, no? We can only become a true winner to ourselves and to our family if we ourselves can see that what's inside our heart can be shared to others as well. So that's what I learned, that only when at the time that we can become a true winner. So ito, yung mga quick slides na lang or quick photos ng ating headquarters sa Japan, sa Singapore, sa Taiwan, no, sa Indonesia. Next, lahat ng mga headquarters na yan may mga ganyang auditorium na can host 2,000 to 3,000 amount of people. No? And Riway itself, yung mga battles na nakikita natin sa harapan, it is already a ticket to the world. Why? Because this Riway itself not only offers the product, it offers a lifestyle. A lifestyle na kung saan we get to enjoy life more. Next. We get to travel natin, picture namin sa Singapore last January. Next. Ito yung game na night dinner na inattendan namin. Then, ito how we conduct meetings, no, sa Zoom, sa online, no, ito yung previous namin sa McDo, sa Molino, no, one of my leaders sa Iloilo. Next, then we have this kind of events, no, we have gatherings, no, Christmas party and so on. Then we have these recognitions na binibigay ng Riway na Diamond 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, and Tipilit Pavoy. So na kung saan lalakad tayo lahat sa stage na may daladalang flag, may daladalang trophy, that we get to inspire others, not only inspire others, but to give hope that life can still, that there's still more about life, no? And Riway really values us with this kind of events, no? Ito, yung leaders recognition na sa Bangkok, Thailand. No? Next. Then, ito yung mga normal trip na lang namin after that gala night dinner. Nag-ikot kami sa Singapore Gardens, no? Yung mga pictures sa Thailand, no? Sa Dubai, sa India, sa Indonesia, and so on. So, proceeding to the business plan, I think nabuto na rin lahat. I will try to make this quick, pero if may mga tanong kayo, just let me know. Just let the person who invited you know. Riway has been already 18 years in the market with a lot of countries as official markets. So, ito yung mga bansa na may branches na tayo, no? So, if may kakilala kayo doon, let us know. Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Myanmar, Japan, South Korea. Now, we're expanding into Czech Republic, in Poland, and Germany, no? In Hong Kong and China as well. I get that point. We all know some OFW na nag-i-struggle sa mga trabaho nila at hindi pa rin sapat sa pinapadala sa Pilipinas, diba, sa pamilya nila, no? So we can try to help them just by sharing this opportunity. So next. We have also these partner locations. Pag sinabi partner locations, ito na yung mga na-reach ng Riway, na-reach ng 4th year pero wala pa ng branch, no? We have this Vietnam, India, Israel, Argentina, Chile, US, Italy, Denmark, Switzerland, UK, no? Greece, Spain, Turkey, Australia, New Zealand, Poland, Italy, Denmark, diba? We are already globally recognized, no? As for our leader, Tipilit Pavo of Elvis, a lot of our leaders na rin is nanggagaling sa Europe, sa USA, no? Sa India, sa Middle East, and so on. Then, Riway Philippines alone, noong 2023 has total annual sales of $1.74 million. So hindi na small time company na to. This is already a big movement. Riway is already a big company trying to reach everyone that is needing and is accepting Riway into their hearts. And 2023 rin, as of March, over 10 million bottles of 4th year has been sold. So bakit magtataka pa tayo, di ba? Hindi na natin kailangan magkaroon ng doubts. As of Riway, the value, so tumanggit ko nga ng 2023 March, 10 million bought and sold. Then, ang milestone ngayon ng Riway from 2009 to 2017. From a very, very small and little company na start noong 2008, no? We can get to the history of Riway some other time. Now, from nothing, we achieved to reach the value of the company of $4 billion. So, Riway has a lot of, or Riway is putting a lot of effort for their leaders and for their people to give back. Now, asking for the prices kanina, no? How much does it cost? Ito yung, wala mo na lalabas ha, I will explain. So, ang balance itself is actually free. Let's say, a silver button, a silver account. This 26,500, what you buy here and what you get here is the business. An international business franchise that you can just do over your phone. That you can just do, basically, no? That you have a lot of option to do to market it. Then we have this gold, platinum, and diamond account. That can give the return of income up to 80%. Why? Our income comes in Singapore dollars in daily payout. So if magtataka kayo, bakit ayos lang sa amin na magpe-event ng ganito kahit konting tao, no? Kasi it's the process, no? We all get to the point, and it's just money that always come back to every one of us if we get the chance or talagang ginagawa natin ng paraan. So, this is a quick view of the marketing plan. This is a diamond account, no? This is the one of the accounts of our top leader in our team, Sir Eric Chok, no? This is one of his account, a diamond account, no? Meron na siyang right, left. The basic binary thing in multi-level marketing. Kasi dito rin sa Riway, unlimited ng account dito. Walang limit yan. As long as you can have, you can. And as long as you wanted to, you can always have the option. Dito rin sa Riway, ang accounts natin is transferable at pwedeng manahin ng mga anak natin, ng mga apo natin. So imagine, doing a business for now, pwede mo pang ipamana sa mga anak mo, sa mga apo mo, di ba? Maaalala ka pa in millions of generations pang dadating sa pamilya niyo. So this is a quick view, no? Why we would like Ren to expand more and faster, especially now. Kasi this upcoming October, meron tayong Leaders Recognition Night at a-attendan ng 40,000 people from all of Riway Asia na kung saan lahat ay aakyat ng stage, awardan, bibigyan ng trophy, trophy and such, no? Ito. So, a quick view of the ranking. To achieve Diamond 1 star, either a teamwork or sole work. Kaya importante dito ang teamwork, ang paggawa ng extended family, ang paggawa ng extended community. Kasi we cannot just do it by ourselves. So, to achieve Diamond 1 star, the lowest rank, no, na ang babalik sa'yo is already 6 digits income, is kailangan mo lang ng 7 sets or 7 diamond sets under you or your teamwork, no? And to achieve Diamond 2 star, you need 2 Diamond 1 star. And to achieve Diamond 3 star, you need to have 2 Diamond 2 star. So, everyone's getting the point?
Yes.
Nag-gets naman po ba? Okay, so next. Nagutuman lang ako sa'yo, nakakamit ko yung chicken dito. So, ito rin yung further recognitions na meron dito sa Riway. Hindi yan natatapos sa Diamond 3 star lang na ang minimum income is around 6 to 7 digits na. We have this Team Elite Pavo, which our Team Elite Pavo Aubrey is, no? We have this Team Elite Phoenix, Team Elite Manoceros, Aquila, and Pegasus that we can get to experience more if we get to attend more, if we get to see more, no? Pagdating sa Riway International. So next. This is how we achieve ang Team Elite Pavo. We just need to have 2 Diamond 3 star on our left. So see, pwede lang tayo magsimula sa dalawang kakilala natin. We just develop them, we just make them absorb, we just make them learn things. Nakatulong ka na sa kanilang dalawa, kumita ka rin, and everyone on your circle is happy. Next, this is how to achieve Pegasus din naman. we can tackle this other time. Medyo amoy na lang si Chicken. So, ito pang ating nakawa, piting na. Pabalik mo. So, for the closing speaker, para ma-close ang ating event for today, I would like to personally thank them and to share some words of gratitude. For she is the reason that I am here in Riway. For she is the reason that I get to develop myself. For she is the reason that I get to explore a lot more things about life. So without further ado, I would like to welcome our Team Elite Pavo, Ms. Aubrey Alvis.
Thank you so much, Angelo. Diba? Kung makaduplicate ka ng 21-year-old, mabilis ako mag-Pegasus. Hindi Pegasus sa QC, Pegasus is the highest rank in Riway International. What we just heard is actually a presentation. It seems that he has been in Riway for 10 years, but he's not even 1 year old in Riway, like few months ago na. So it's a fast learner, okay? Is the product okay?
Yes.
Okay, yes, okay. Congratulations because you are here today. There are so many people praying for the product because they have been so tired of eating their medicine for a lifetime. Do you know people who are spending a portion of their money or so much of their money for maintenance? Do you know some people who are into maintenance?
Yes.
Do you know the risk of that? In Cavite, in the entire Philippines, Cavite has the highest rate of kidney failure. That's why in Dasmariñas there are several dialysis centers. After a few years of taking medicine, their liver and kidney is already totally damaged, and for them to just live longer in pain is to have them go for the dialysis. So what you heard just now, you can share to your friends and family. We cannot help financially, hindi tayo, pwedeng wala tayong maibigay na pera sa mga friends and family or neighbors natin, but we can tell them about the product. It's up for them to decide. Okay? So, the very reason why I am here in Riway, because my mother lost her eyesight because of diabetes. Do you know some people, they become blind because of diabetes? Okay, one of them was my mother, and there is a large percentage of these people in our area, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, the entire Philippines, who are diabetic. Maybe in your subdivision, maybe if not every home has a diabetic person, maybe every block there is at least 3 or 5 people in the house. And these are the people that need to hear the product. Now, if you ask about the price of the product, you know, during the time when my mother was in that situation, I was into 2 choices. The first choice is to pay all my debts, utang, because na-bankrupt yung lending ko, I have to pay my financer, and then I have to do something for the health of my mother. This was my realization. I only have one mother. I only have one father. And they exerted all their effort to put me into college to finish my 4-year course. But at the end of that, I can only get a salary of 30,000, 20,000 as a teacher. At the age of 20, I already know my value. I did not teach in the government because I know the look of the teachers in the government and their situations, okay? It's like that there are so many also and they don't just know how to manage the money and the loans are offered to them. So I don't want my future to be like that. So I set up my own tutorial, and this one of my tutors, one of my teacher, okay, introduced me to the product. During that time in 2016, it came to the Philippines. That was 5th edition. Okay, now we are in the 7th edition. During the time, 5th edition, 5 ingredients. And for you to know, Riway International, we have our own plantation in New Zealand. Can you imagine the property, how much it costs sa Philippines na lang, magkano na yung plantation, right? And you know that New Zealand is a zero pollution. We have our own resources. If you remember the ingredients discussed by Jello, okay, most of them are grown in our own plantation, no, in our vast land. No killing of the deer. They have to wait for the deer to give birth and then get the placenta, placenta, and put into capsule, processed into modern technologies, so our kidney and liver is safe. Some of you would ask, ang dami ko nang iniinom na medicine, this one can add at paano na lang ang kidney, even gallbladder stones, even kidney stones, this can melt, matutunaw niya. So all-in-one capsule. There is a book mentioned always by my member, by my leader in Europe, a doctor. She said that 100 diseases for one product, for one cure, which is stem cells. In the Philippines, we are already familiar with stem cells, right? Familiar na tayo, it costs millions. So, back to my parents, okay? We always see that they are my responsibilities because after they put us into college, syempre, dito sa Philippines, the mindset and culture is tayo yung retirement fund ng ating mga parents. So in Antique, they have no resources anymore. Okay, they work out their body to earn a little amount of money just to put us into college. So my mind is to help them. I can be just sitting at home and wait for my husband to send me money, but I still have my parents to take care in their old age. So, I always say this, if you still have parents to take care, do Riway. Imagine for 9 years that I am here in Riway, I supply them all this product every single month. Hindi pwedeng mawalan ng per year ang parents, especially yung mother mo, kasi feeling niya, kapag hindi na siya nakakainom, tumatanda na siya. Kasi 75-year-old siya, she looks like 50-year-old only. She started to take from 5th edition, 6th edition, and 7th edition. Our company is reversing product, and it is has a product of reversing aging, and it is what do you call this, research and development company. Sabi nga ni Jello, kapag member ka ng company, okay, actually yung product na libre, para ka nang nag-franchise ng Mercury Drugstore. Lahat ng sakit sa loob ng bahay, take your care. Na LBM, take your care. Na dengue, take your care. My cancer, take your care. Na COVID, take your care. Na accident, broken bones, take your care. Cell regenerating and cell repair. Since 2016, 2017 na nakatake yung mother ko kasi it was so difficult for us to share the product. During the time, wala kami mga presentation na ganito. I only invested 100 pesos every Thursday to learn in MOA. 50 pesos sa van, 50 pesos pabalik, libre ang dinner. I studied it for 4 months. 4 months every Thursday, and by God's grace, from that one bottle, I decided for my mother to recover her health, and then nag-loan ako for one set therapy para kumpletong diamond account ko. That amount of money, okay, give me so many resources, and I reach in different countries almost every month or every quarter during the time when I started to travel in Riway. Did I make a right decision?
Yes.
Okay. So if I did not decide during the time na ay ang mahal, wala akong pera, ngayon wala akong pera, next month wala pa rin akong pera, next year wala pa rin akong pera, unang pumasok sa isip ko is napakaraming diabetic people. Agree?
Yes. Agree.
Kasi dami sangyup, dami buffet. So, di ba? So, ganun. Now, I want to save my mother and my father. By God's grace, 70 and 73-year-old, they are driving already their car. Alam yung car na binigay ko sa kanila is just my 1 month income in Riway. So, going back 9 years ago, I was one of those people walking down the road, walang clear ang future. but I bought a wonderful future and a security health of my family through Pure Cheer and through this company. You watch the movie kanina, that is the proof that our company is a 40 billion US dollar company. We can afford billions of event free. This event is sponsored by us, by me, because this is already, we are earning Singapore dollar by mention of Jello daily payout. Your investment here, initially, you get two things: the product for your family and the income, international business. That's why I go to India, to UAE, as always, plus the events of the company. Here, if you hit Diamond 1 star, by the way, this is in the month of August, 4 sets within the month, and then you will become Diamond 2 stars. You will be qualified to join, or you will be invited by the company to attend a 40,000 people events. Have you attended an event na 40,000 ang tao? Di ba, halimbawa, may pa-event dito si Mayora, yan, o ilang hundreds lang yan. Diba? Doon ay thousands from 10 countries. Our company is a high-end company, and this company is for people who want to change of life. Want a life that is changed. The person who brought me, who introduced me here, the person who brought this company and the product in the Philippines, is a Bridayan top leader, and he did not look for rich people during the time. Ang hinanap ng gustong yumaman, I was one of them. Kasi kung hinanap niya yung mga mayayaman na maka-afford na kaagad, then wala ako doon. So I'm so thankful with that mindset. Then I thank my old self kasi I decided to buy a wonderful future and the security health for my whole family. And this one I would like to share to you. That's why we invited you. And then Jello, thank you Matt for sharing by the testimony. I hope you will not leave this event without sharing this to other people. Some people are, dying because of their illness. And they did not even tell their family because they think it's a burden to their family. Some people are dying because of financial burden. Naniwala kayo na kapag walang pera, nakaka-depress at nakakamatay. Minsan yung ilang sarili nila, dinadamay pang buong pamilya. That happens in the Philippines. So let's have a heart to share this opportunity to the people, and then it's up for them to decide. Ang sasabihin ko lang sa inyo, once you decided to join the company, we will support you all the way hanggang maibalik sa inyo yung return of investment nyo and fly with us in October in Singapore. So mentioned by Jello, this is the potential market within the area. That's your potential market. My mindset is always international. That's why I have groups in Europe, in Japan. That's why hopefully I can make it in September for 5 days to 7 days in Japan, in Kyoto, because we have an event there. So we, the elites in the group, plan to also go in Japan because Japan is one of the country that I want to live. Mahilig ako sa noodles, like walang rice, kasi sa abroad noodles, okay. And then also, I plan to go to Budapest because 3 hours only by car na sa Croatia na. My group is in ex-Yugoslavia group of doctors. Kung ang mga European, they see this as an opportunity to make money, how much more tayo mga Pilipino? We cannot be contented na okay na tayo sa pera na binibigay sa atin. We still have parents to take care. We have sisters, siblings na pwede natin mabigyan ng pera kapag kumikita tayo at mabigyan ng Pure Cheer kapag kumikita tayo. May mga pamangkin pa tayo na pwede natin sponsoran ng pag-aaral kung kumikita tayo dito ng 100 to millions a month. Okay? Don't believe until you experience it. So let's. I hope you can decide whatever your decision. You ask us later. How are you going to start? And we are so glad to support you all the way and to basta you are going to commit for a changed life and commitment. We are also very willing to commit for your success. Then travel the world with us. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.